Hello everyone, welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to sort a two-dimensional array. To get started, go to your server script service and add a script. In your script, just add the following table. And now, let's go and print the table. Now after that, so when you print the table, you're going to see the same exact table as it is here, which is a two-dimensional array, which contains the player names and the player score, assuming the name is unique. The purpose of this lesson is we want to sort this table according to the score. So we want the entry with the highest score to go to the top. The one with the lowest score goes to the bottom. So we're sorting it in descending order. To sort the table, you're going to use the table function .sort. The first parameter of this function is going to be our table name, so it's going to be data table, comma, function. And we're passing in two parameters. So we're passing in I and j, which are the two adjacent elements of the table. And for each of these elements, we want to compare the score. So the score is the second element of each of these. So we want to compare I bracket 2 greater than j bracket 2. So we're comparing the second element of I versus the second element of j. So this is gonna get our table sorted, and let's print out the result after the sort. So print data table. And in addition to that, I'm going to print a couple elements just to make sure. So we're going to print data table. I'm going to print element 2 and 1. Again, this is a two-dimensional table. So we had another lesson on multi-dimensional arrays. So if you need some extra information or more details on multi-dimensional arrays, you can refer to our previous lesson on multi-dimensional arrays for further details. So I'm just going to print one more here, print data table, and this time I'm going to print element number 3 and 1. Alright, let's play to test. Let me go and open my output window. So here is the print before we did anything. So basically it is just the table as we enter it. Okay, so you can see everything is out of order. Like you got 391 up here, and then this guy should have been up to the top, and it's all out of order. It's the same order as it is right here. And then we're gonna go down to here, line 17, which is the print after we have sorted the table. So let's take a look. I'm just gonna open all these elements and take a look. So now you can see that the guy with the highest score is on top, followed by the guy with the second highest score, and the score goes down as you go. So the table is now nicely sorted in descending order. And down here we're just printing two extra ones. So we're printing this is element 2.1 and this is element 3.1. Now, on the other hand, if you would like to sort this table in ascending order according to the score instead of descending order, it's very simple. You just gotta switch this sign right here. Let's take a look. And again, our first table that we printed is gonna be exactly the same as this table, so we don't want to look at that. We want to look at the second table here, which is after we have applied the sort. And there it is. All the score are in ascending order. So the guy with the lowest score, new account, is with the score of 26. He gets the first spot, followed by 62. And then all the way to the bottom, the guy with the highest score is at the bottom. Alright, so that's how you sort a two-dimensional array in descending order and in ascending order.